What's up everybody, this is Leo with Keeper & Co. And in this video we have a cool new product to show you guys. It's the face mask kit for your heat press. So here's how it works. When you buy your kit, it comes with a setup station, the heat press adapter, and your face mask platen, as well as these three other top plates for any face mask you want to decorate. So we're talking about things like vinyl, dye sub, screen printed transfers, any way you want to decorate your face mask, you got it covered here. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check us out on Instagram because we have a ton of content there that shows you guys how to print on different types of apparel. Also, if you're interested in the kit, go check out our website. It's actually available for you guys now. But if you have any questions regarding the kit, shoot us an email, give us a call, whatever you want to do, get in touch with us and we'd be happy to help. With that being said, guys, thank you so much. We'll catch you on the next one.